start with explaining more the conceptual part of price sensitivity with one of the cases we went through with a company. So you see here an infinity loop. It's about hyperlearning, and with price sensitivity, the hyperlearning vision we have as a company with Symson really comes to life. As you probably already know, also if you attended previous webinars, we have a vision where we unite the human expertise from the company together with machine learning to actually combine the best of both worlds. And the best of both worlds in this part is, of course, a higher margin. And that's what we will explain with this loop. So it actually has three loops in our hyperlearning approach. First, we start with the organizational learning. So we start with actually getting and capturing all the knowledge which is hidden in the organization, such as how competitive is your product and what are the customer priorities. So we capture all this knowledge to define what are the price drivers for your products. This knowledge can be hidden into your sales team, in your marketing team, your finance team. Every stakeholder that is involved in the price setting can have his input to capture the knowledge, what should be in the price model. Second, we have the machine learning loop, and this actually trains all the input from the customer, from your organization, the organizational learning, to see, okay, what are the weights of all these input from the company? For example, if brand value is one of the factors, you have different brands selling in your assortment. The model can bring you insights that one brand is more sensitive than others. So if you change a product with a brand level, an A brand can be more sensitive to a price change than from a B level, from a B brand. This is just an example. We give you more examples later on. And the other learning loop is the scientific learning. Of course, we are already in the business for a lot of years and we serve many customers. And we can also give you a head start from theory, scientific theory. What are the price drivers in your industry? Combined also with price drivers, which are already used for other similar companies. And this is a learning loop. We actually it's continuous learning loop, but you have to start somewhere with a model. And based upon new results, this learning loop will accelerate. And this is how we see this is a competitive advantage for your company to learn as quickly as possible and to benefit from these learnings.